Alright, this is the final project for Chase Moss and Tyler Glazier. I'll go ahead and open it up here from my desktop. Our project is a personal well-being calculator. So it assists one in making goals and keeping track of those. So I'll go ahead. The first thing that you see is a prompt to enter today's date. This will come in handy later on, as I'll show you. So I'll just go ahead and enter today's date. Click OK. So the first thing you see, basically we're just going to follow the prompts on screen. So over here on the left, what areas do you want to improve on? So you'll see as I click on one of these areas, a message box, a form will pop up and it says, so for exercise, how many minutes do you want to exercise each day? And an example is 30. So our whole idea is that the user will input an amount, and that's their goal that they want to reach each day. So the goal will remain steady, and then each day they'll input what they did. So we'll go ahead and we'll follow the 30-minute for exercise. Click OK. And then we'll go ahead and mark this one. This one says, what would you like your nightly sleep goal to be? We'll go ahead and put 8. I think 8 hours is a good amount. Scriptures. Go ahead and put 30 minutes. Now you don't have to. You can either select all or any or just one of these goals. It's just whatever the user wants to keep track of. If they didn't want to keep track of their sleep or their scriptures, that'd be totally fine. You'll notice that with the homework, a form didn't pop up with that. That's because homework is just a yes or a no. And then that'll be recorded later on, as I'll show you. So right here, so whichever boxes you checked, those will pop up in this combo box. So if I didn't want to keep track of my homework, I would uncheck that and it wouldn't be listed here. Or if I didn't want to keep track of my scripture study, I would uncheck that and it wouldn't be there. So we'll go ahead and we'll recheck those. And then we'll just go through. It prompts us to select a value. As we click on exercise, it asks us how many minutes did you exercise today. So we set our goal at 30 and now is the time to report what we did. We'll go ahead and say we did 30 minutes of exercise. Click OK. And then this message box appears saying our response was recorded on sheet 2. We click OK. And we'll just go through. So did you complete your homework today? And we click yes or no. Water. How many glasses of water did you drink? We'll go ahead and we'll put 6 glasses of water. We didn't meet our goal there. Scriptures. We'll go ahead and we'll put 45 minutes. We were feeling pretty good. And sleep. We only got 1 hour of sleep, we'll say. So we've recorded all those things for that, and then we'll go to sheet 2, and it has here our log. So you'll notice it has the date that we've put in for each one. Here up top is listed each of the goals that we selected. And then right here is what we typed in as our preference for the goals. So 30-minute exercise, 8 glasses of water, 30-minute scripture, 8 hours of sleep. Down below, so right here where I showed you before, this date, and then this is what we logged in. 30 minutes, yes, we completed homework, 6 glasses of water, 45, and 1. And then you'll notice down here where it says your average is and then a value. This will average all of the values that you input as you go through. Green means that your average is either equal to or greater than your goal. So green is good. Red means your average is less than your goal. So because we entered 6, 6 is less than 8, that is highlighted as red. And then that is 1, that's red as well. If we wish to clear the data, we could click clear and it would clear the data. The idea is you'd close this and enter again and the log would continue. Yep, that is our project.